So what if your devices could talk back to you? What if the car you drive in, or what if the house you sleep in, they all could communicate with you and they could all be smarter? Hello everyone, my name is Garv Khanna. I am a robotics software engineer at NextWave, and I'm here at NIAT Delhi to present an exciting workshop that is on the topic of IoT.
In this session, we are having conducted at least 150 of students. In that, we have given some knowledge about the sensors.
We have made some POCs. We'll be building this exact thing in the workshop as well. We are connecting some wires, some hardware stuff, which is microcontrollers, some sensors.
So this is the actual way that students understood, and later after that we have gone with the NIAT part, where we have explained the workflow of the NIAT part, how they can interlink their IoT device and can able to get a notification automatically.
Why IoT is important is because we use it every day. From your smart doors to your smart fridge, it's everywhere.
Like many students have participated into this, where they have come up with the smart bottle or smart chair. We have used some of the sensors. So that was a great session that we have conducted.
IoT is not just a concept anymore. IoT is being implemented everywhere. They could all be helping you in a manner that you couldn't even imagine. So I want you guys, the innovators, the builders of the future, to get hands-on with it and learn something new.